So in this video, I'll show you how to reactivate your Bluesky account. So if you want to start using your Bluesky account again after you've deactivated it, reactivating it is fairly simple. So I'll be using the Bluesky app, but these instructions should apply if you're using it on the web or on a tablet or anything similar. So what you want to do is simply just launch Bluesky. And then once you've launched it, just sign in with your account. So tap on sign in and then enter your details. If you've already used that same app, you should see it listed here. So you can just select it from there. Then you can see your account. You can use your username, your handle, or your email. And then you just want to type in your password. And once you've typed in your password, you want to tap on next. So from here, if you have two-factor authentication enabled for your Bluesky account, you'll need to authorize it. So just go through the process, get the code from your email, and then just type it in here. And then once you've typed in the confirmation code, tap on next. And then it will tell you welcome back. And then you want to confirm by tapping on yes, reactivate my account so that you can start using Bluesky. So confirm. And once it's confirmed, you can now see you've successfully reactivated your Bluesky account. And now your account is visible to any other users that are on Bluesky. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.